where I live, there are rainbows, and life and the laughter of morning, and starry nights, where I live, see the rainbow, with flowers full of colors and birds filled with song. I can smile when it's rainy, even in Hilo, and just the warmth of the sun. I hear children laughing in this place that I love. I can smile when it's raining and touch the warmth of the sun. I hear children laughing here in this place that I love. Flowers full of color and birds filled with song, life and the laughter of morning, and stars.